Hello guys, so today I'll show you how you can create a group or a new user in Nextcloud. So first, head over to localhost port 8080, log in with your admin or user like the privileged user account, click on login. We'll just wait a bit for the login to complete. Now in our dashboard, what we want to select is this icon right here, then go to accounts. Then to add a user, you can click on new account and then type the account name, the display name, a password, and then select a group if you want to. This is not um, mandatory. Then we can also select a quota for that user to limit its users. We can set it, for example, 5 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes, unlimited, or the default quota. Also, we can set a manager, a line manager for that specific user. That's super easy. And then we click on add account. Now to add a group, we go here in groups, this on the left sidebar, we click on plus. We type the group name, test group, for example. Then we click on this arrow. Now the group is created. Next, if you want to add a user to a group, what you would want to do is you would edit it here, and then select the group here and save. Now, if you go to the group, you'll find the user that we added right now. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in another one.